Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Let us look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action from the 4 hours time frame, as I had already mentioned, we are noticing the price action to break this neck level of the double bottom pattern and also has broken the resistance line or the trend line from the daily time frame also. So it is showing the clear sign of bullishness in 4 hours time frame. So since it has given a breakout from this resistance zone, we can expect the bullishness to continue, and so we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1730, which is also going to complete the double bottom pattern. And currently we are noticing this level of 1717 to be acting as a resistance level, because when we look at the past price action, this is where we have noticed a consolidation, or this level was acting as a support level. Then only we have noticed a big red color candle to be formed and bring the market down on the bearish side. So this level is currently acting as a very strong resistance level for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. So the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bullish trend, and once the price action breaks this resistance zone between 1730 to 1717, we can expect it to retrace up to the resistance level of 1800, which is going to complete the next bigger double bottom pattern. And this area will be acting as a neck level of the bigger double bottom pattern. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, this area will be acting as a support zone for the present price action. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action in hourly time frame, I am taking the lows of the past price action and connecting with the highs of the past price action. The price action has broken the resistance line, which was preventing the price action from trending on the bullish side. So when the price action bounces back on the bearish side also, this trend line will be acting as a support line for the future price action. So only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue, and next level of support is again going to be the level of 1680. And as explained in the 4 hours time frame, this zone is acting as a very strong resistance zone, because we have noticed a consolidation to happen at this area over here. So once the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1716 and support level of 1695. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1695, next level of support is going to be 1679, 1666, 1647 and 1614. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1716, next level of resistance is going to be around 1730, 1743, 1777 and 1800. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern or above this support zone between 1680 to 1616, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.